Welcome car hub Creasy. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is a flagship luxury sedan known for its opulence, craftsmanship, and commanding presence. It represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury and has been a symbol of prestige since its inception. Here is a comprehensive overview. General overview production 1925 to present, current generation launched in 2017. Manufacturer Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, owned by BMW Group. Body style four-door luxury sedan. Assembly Goodwood, West Sussex, England, current generation, Phantom VIII. Performance engine 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 horsepower, 563 horsepower, 420 kilowatts, at 5,000 RPM torque, 900 newton meters, 663 pound-feet, at 1,700 RPM transmission, 8-speed ZF automatic drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.1 seconds. Top speed 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, electronically limited. Dimensions length, standard wheelbase, 5,762 millimeters, 227 inches. Extended wheelbase, 5,982 millimeters, 235.5 inches. Width, 2,018 millimeters, 79.4 inches. Height, 1,646 millimeters, 64.8 inches. Wheelbase, standard, 3,552 millimeters, 139.8 inches. Extended, 3,772 millimeters, 148.5 inches. Weight, approximately 2,560 kilograms, 5,644 pounds. Standard wheelbase, luxury and craftsmanship interior material. Quality, hand-stitched leather, wood veneers, and custom trims. Seating, ultra-plush seats with optional reclining rear seats and massage functionality ceiling. Starlight headliner with fiber optic lighting for a starry sky effect. Bespoke options, custom embroidery, personalized inlays and finishes. Custom paint and interior combinations. Technology, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, rear seat entertainment screens with picnic tables, high-end bespoke audio system with 18 speakers, comfort features, ride quality, adaptive air suspension for unparalleled smoothness, with a magic carpet ride experience, noise insulation, double glazed windows and over 130 kilograms of soundproofing material, doors, power-operated coach doors with umbrellas integrated into the door frames, technology chassis, Rolls-Royce's aluminum, architecture of luxury platform, driver assistance, night vision, adaptive cruise control, lane departure, warning surround view cameras, infotainment, BMW-based iDrive system with Rolls-Royce customizations, heads-up display, included for driver convenience, navigation, intuitive, high-resolution interface design exterior signature features, large chrome Pantheon grille with the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, long, flowing body lines LED and laser headlights, wheels, customizable 21-inch or 22-inch alloy wheels, paint, over 44,000 bespoke colors, with the option for custom color matching performance and driving experience. Despite its size, the Phantom provides remarkable composure and stability. The V12 engine delivers smooth, effortless acceleration, ensuring a serene experience. Active rear axle steering improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Customization and bespoke options. Rolls-Royce offers extensive customization through its bespoke program. Buyers can personalize every aspect of the car, from monograms to unique paint finishes, interior themes, and even custom artwork in the dashboard's gallery. Variant Standard Wheelbase, SWB, focuses on driver and passenger luxury. Extended Wheelbase, EWB, adds extra rear seat legroom for even greater passenger comfort. Pricing base price starts at approximately $460,000, varies by region and options. Fully bespoke models can exceed $600,000 or more, depending on customizations. Competitors. While the Phantom is in a class of its own, its closest competitors include, and my channel subscribe and follow you.